Good morning, Earth scientists. It's Thursday, November 3rd. Thursday, one more day left of the week. So we're nearing that Friday, nearing that weekend. Weather's going to be not quite as nice, but still pretty darn good for a November. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on today. We're going to work on our earthquake mini book. So we did not get to the folding yesterday, which is totally fine. So we'll get to the folding today, and then we'll work on the mini book. So what we have going on today, just a quick reminder on the lesson review, especially taking a look at these 8, 9, and 10 questions. We'll talk about those a little bit in class. Then I can describe how seismic waves transfer energy through the earth and on its surface. Speaking of seismic waves, on our pink sheet, we're going to have a word of the day, excuse me. We have not had a word of the day for a while, and we have been neglecting our pink sheet lately, so we'll get out our pink sheet, seismic waves, and seismic waves that are going to be vibrations that cause different kinds of ground motion. My head is blocking, or my video is blocking the rest of that, but kinds of ground motion. It's on page 255. Short Tim and Moby, talking about faults and earthquakes and everything else. And then we'll fold our mini book. So I know this can be really confusing. So if you somehow want to make a book, it's going to have 6 pages to it. It's going to be a mini book, so it's about the size of a deck of cards is what we're looking at. So if you want to make something on your own, that's fine. If you want to, I'm sure if you Google or YouTube making a mini book, I'm sure that they would find probably video directions. Otherwise, you can just wait till you come back tomorrow and we can fold one up for you. And here are going to be our mini book requirements. You're going to have a creative title. You're going to have some sort of writing and sketch on each page. You're going to include the questions. Those will kind of be your title for each page. What causes earthquakes? What are seismic waves? Difference between P and S waves? How do scientists measure earthquakes? And how do scientists find the epicenter of an earthquake? Add color to your book. It's going to be 15 points total. So here are just some examples. The joke that rocked the world, the story of the world that shakes. So you can see it's got a title, colorful front, author's name, and then when you open it up, it's going to have like the title, what are seismic waves, answer it, picture, what's the difference between P waves and S waves, answer it, picture, and so forth. And that's what I will leave up on the board. I'll make sure to screenshot that, so that is inside Google Classroom. So if you want to start planning out your mini book, tomorrow will be a full work day. Once we take our homework check, then we'll get a full work day tomorrow. All right, reach out with questions. Have an amazing day. Mini book will be due on Monday. So just a heads up, we'll be due on Monday. Be kind. Have a good day, and I will see you back tomorrow.